Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy stocks in Tradingview paper trading updated. Open Tradingview, switch to paper trading, connect your paper account, and set your starting cash before placing orders. Use the chart's buy and sell buttons, choose market or limit orders, set quantity and stop loss, and monitor fills in the trade panel. Practice positions sizing and review trade history to learn without risking real money, keeping records for improvement. In this video, I will explain key order types for paper trading so you trade confidently and learn decision-making. Use market orders for fast execution and limit orders when price matters, and set stop orders to manage downside risk. Test combos like limit entries with stop losses to simulate live conditions. Keep notes on fills, slippage, and execution differences to refine your strategy before risking real capital in live market. In this video, I will help you manage risk and improve as a paper trader by using clear rules and consistent habits. Calculate position size based on a set dollar or percentage risk, and always place a stop loss before entering a trade. Use the trade panel to monitor open positions and update a journal with rationale and outcomes. Reviewing trades weekly reveals biases and helps you move toward consistent, disciplined execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.